Very welcome to EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing the MA Women's and Gender Studies from IGNOU University. If you are looking for this course, you are at the right place because EncycloHub provides you different kinds of services related to the admission, previous year solved papers, assignments, and so on. If you are looking for any help related to this, you can contact us anytime because we provide, and you can save this number for more details. Now let's discuss the uh, course details. So first of all, introduction, women's and gender studies in emerging area of academic inquiry today. Worldwide, several universities are now offering programs in women's and gender studies at all levels. So what are the objective and why we are studying this course? Acquaint students with the academic disciplines of gender studies and women's studies and their history, theoretical premises, and progression to present day status. Create awareness among students about the ideologies and social factors leading to marginalization of women and gender issues. Expose students to cultural, literary, political, and socio-economic dimensions with gender frameworks, and so on. Let's discuss about the eligibility of this course. So eligibility is bachelor degree. If you have a bachelor degree, so you can do this course, and medium is only English. Duration is minimum 24 months and maximum is 36 months. So minimum you need to spend 24 months and maximum 36 months. Fees is 6,000 per year. International, not offered for this course. Examination fees is not included in fee structure. So examination fees you need to pay at the time of the filling of the exam form. Job profile, and now let's discuss the course structure. In this case, there are different kind of papers are available. So one, two, three, four, five, and six. So I will suggest you at the time of the taking admission, you can see all the papers. So approximately you need to give in all the 2 years 16 papers, and after all the passing all the papers, you will get a certificate. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries related to this course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We provide paid consultancy. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon on WhatsApp.